Hey everyone, it's Adam from MAPerformance. We just wanted to wish you the happiest of holidays this year. We put together a short buyer's guide for the Civic X platform. We spent months developing aftermarket support for this vehicle and put together a little list of things to make your car a little more enjoyable. One of the first things you need to do is get a tune. We've got Ktuner and Honda solutions. This will allow you to do bolt-ons and other modifications down the road. Even in stock form, we've seen gains of 20 wheel horsepower and 60 foot-pounds of torque. This tune really just wakes up the car and makes it feel a whole lot better. We definitely recommend this as your first performance mod. Moving on, we all know the clutches on these vehicles aren't super strong. We definitely recommend upgrading your clutch if you're going to be doing more performance modifications down the road. We also recommend a lightweight flywheel that'll be more durable than the factory dual mass, along with lighter weight and improved engine response. Right now we love the Clutchmasters FX350 and 400 and lightweight flywheel combination, a clutch that'll hold the power and drive like stock with a great pedal feel. Coming up next is replacing the intake. We've got our own MAPerformance intake paired with the green filter yielded our best power results. We tested several air filters and received the best power results with the green filter USA high flow air filter along with the large diameter velocity stack. We have our USA made MAP intake, durable 304 stainless, uniquely designed to incorporate factory MAF diameter, along with a larger diameter pre-MAF tube to increase airflow. The next main restriction in airflow is the factory downpipe. Here's our MAPerformance 304 stainless high flow downpipe. Our downpipe is going to allow the turbo to more efficiently make the power for those of you going to stage 2. 304 stainless, available with the option to retain the factory heat shield and the option of a ceramic heat barrier coating to help keep engine bay temps down. Here's a super popular PTP Turbo Blanket. This contains the heat of your turbo to lower your IATs and reduce underhood temps. And we all know lower temps equals more power. To wrap things up, we have a couple small stocking stuffers from Acuity. We've got the Acuity throttle pedal spacer. In our development of the Civic X, we noted that the throttle pedal is quite far from the brake pedal. This product fixes that issue and brings the two pedals more in line for a better driving experience and allowing for heel-to-toe shifting. We definitely recommend picking one up for anyone spending time at the track. The last great item we have from Acuity is the shifter cable bushing. This item is really going to improve driving experience with crisp shifts. Acuity uses a custom aluminum spherical bushing as well as integral O-rings to provide a solid, smooth shift that every car enthusiast loves. That wraps things up for the MAPerformance Civic X Holiday Buyer's Guide. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions you have and let us know what's on your Civic wish list.